Most of us were introduced to these snacks in primary school. I mean, hot buns and cold soda. It's just a match made in heaven. Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the Nigerian buns. My buns recipe is extra crunchy on the outside and pillow soft on the inside. We start by adding all the dry ingredients. If you don't like nutmeg, you can use vanilla flavor of your choice. Mix all the dry ingredients together as you can see. Into another bowl, add your milk and egg, whips together. Add your mixture into your mixed flour ingredients. Mix it together. Heat up the frying pan and begin to scoop in the frying pan one after the other, as you can see. Scoop it in under low heat. Once you add one buns inside, wait for it to move up so you know that the oil is hot enough. But if you have to measure the oil, you use 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for the heat of the hotness of the oil. You fry until golden brown.